Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing from fansells. This order I ordered on the 30th of August, and it came on the 14th of September, so 10 days later. Great, can't complain. How many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unboxings and a novelty pen. Let's do some of the special DPs I've ordered. This one. Oh yeah. So I ordered this one because I thought it'd be nice for Christmas, because I've got 3 little gnomes that I put up every year and 3 grandchildren. So I thought I'd buy this one, pop it in a lovely frame at Christmas. How cute is that? It's got 12 special DPs, drills with it. It's a 30 by 40 and it's poured glue. How cute is that? Look at that. Absolutely love it. Let's check the drills. So it's first drill, the silver ones. I've got to close my curtains because the sun's blaring in, so I can't see anything. Some lovely, got little pinkish ones there. Some yellowy gold ones. Some blue ones. Some darker blue ones. Lovely colours. Some purple ones. Some darker purple. So there's some really lovely colours there. You also get number 9. Some special shaped love hearts. Some special circle star ones. Some gold star ones. Some larger pearl button ones. Flat on the back, of course. There's some of the bottom ones. They've got right good. They've got a cutted in them. Can you see that? See how colours coming through? Gorgeous. I do like to have a few special DPs in the drawers because I do a lot of the larger scale DPs, and sometimes I just want a break, you know, sit down, watch a movie, relax and just do something simple, so I'm not concentrating too much. I'm not going to show this to my granddaughter, Isabel, because I'm not going to get to do it. She's going to take it off now, like she normally does. So this one I'm going to have to hide because I want to do it. Great for children as well, because it's easy enough and because they're so sparkly, kids absolutely love it. This one cost about £3.49 from fansells. You just can't complain with that price, can you? So that's going to look amazing. I've got plenty of special drills with it. I know I'm not going to run out. It's going to look so cute at Christmas. Behind me are the little gnomes. Looking forward to doing that one. So yeah, happy with that. And since a lot of people seem to be liking the gnome ones at the moment. Right, my second one. I love these envelopes because it does protect them. They come into under. Which one is this? Oh, yeah. This is what I've seen a few of these doing this one, and it was the eyes at first that caught me. But then when I looked into the detail in it, oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I thought, I'm going to have to get that. This one was £2.99 from fansells. It's a 30 times 40. Called Blue again. I'll show you. I've got a few friends that like cats. Look at that. All the colours in the butterfly. Can you just see the eye in it as well? What I was thinking of doing is get some glue or some clear nail varnish and sticking some extra sparkly bits in the background as well. I mean, just look at that. That is going to look absolutely beautiful. Love it. And it's going to turn out lovely as well. We have 9 colours in this one. We have a special DP 310s, some darker grey ones, some blacky grey ones, some more grey ones, darker green ones, some blue vibrant green ones, some blues, very bright they are, some aqua ones, and a lot of silver ones. I'm really intrigued to see how this turns out because your first colours are dark. I suppose when the light hits them, they're going to look really good. And then I can always add some more stuff to it myself. But I have seen it done and it does look beautiful. So, yeah. Be glad to see how that one turns out. Like I said, this was £2.99 from fansells again. For that price, you just can't complain. The next special DP. Which one this is? Oh. Another one I've seen done. So I thought, yet again. The Noble Lady was £2.99 from fansells. It's a 30 by 40 called Blue. Which is stunning. If you look at all the detailing to be done in it, from to the arms, to the shoulders, into the hat. And the bow in the corner there, and then also into the background, special jewels as well. Beautiful. compared to our 40. We have 12 colours in this. It's the first one I've actually bought for Noble Lady. But when I looked at it, I looked at all the different purples and reds and greens. I thought, I'm intrigued. Yet again, just the same box standard pen, tray, wax. I actually save all mine and give them to my local school now. Because I've got that many of them. I wish they would ask us if we want them or not. I'm not complaining, like I said, I can give them to school. Alright, let's have a look at those colours, the special drills. So we've got those lovely silver ones there. Emerald ones there. Pinky colour, pinky peach-ish colour. Darker purple. Normal whites. They look like ABs. Oh yeah, these are ABs, these ones. The blue ones, they're ABs. Number 7, ABs again. Yeah, ABs, so you get 2 lots of ABs with this, so that's good. So you're also getting special ones, ABs, and some different shapes ones, so you're getting a good variety of stuff in this one. Your round ones, your round beans. You see they've got a lovely cut in them. Some smaller ones. Those ones. Some lovely shapes. Some silvery star ones. And these ones now, I ain't got any spares of these, so I'm intrigued to find out how many is left over on this one. And that's some lovely purpley ones there. I'm pretty happy with that, and yet again, you get sparklers, you get ABs, you get special shaped ones, and for £2.99 from fansells, you really can't complain. Some beautiful colours in that. You probably pay more just for that packet of AB purples alone. So really, it's a good buy. You can't complain for that. That's going to look stunning again. This week it was more of a special DPs that I ordered. I did order one that caught my eye. I just looked at the colours and thought, wow. Look at that. This is a 40 by 50. It's from Fansells. I paid £4.99 for it. 40 times 50. In circles. But wow. It's just so colourful. I seen it and I thought, OMG, I'm going to have to get this. So again, tray, wax pen. Just trying to figure that out a bit, as you can see while I'm rolling, look at those colours. It is poured glue. It is a full DP. With it being poured glue, we're not going to get any rivers. Look at that. How stunning at those colours. Absolutely beautiful. There's 20 rows in this colour, this DP. The canvas is nice and clear. You can see them all. Beautiful, nice and clear. Colours vibrant. Love it. All different love arts. Got beautiful in a child's bedroom. So we've got those colours. We've got 20. Oh, let's see these colours. We've got the DMC numbers on them. The packets, no. So on the packets, what did it say? It says a canvas number on it. SZ422 and number 1, the colour. But it does have the DMC on the canvas. So this green one would be 166. Go to your next one. Got like a bluey grey, number 2. 317. And then you carry on. You look at your canvas, number 3 on it. That would be 349. So on and so on. There's some pinks, some darker reds, purple, some lighter pinks, there's a lot of stowaways in there, some mustard green, a nice vibrant green. Another green, nice and bright again. Darker green. Dark blue. Another green. Pink. Anyone that knows me, love pink. Plenty of jewels in them. Small pinks. Pinky red. Sand colour. Some blue. Turquoise blue. Some orangey coloured ones. Sandy colour. And then some vibrant orange. You do get plenty of jewels in them, so there's no doubt I'm going to have some left over, which I like. I just wish they had the DMC numbers on them. Normally a lot of them these days do, to be honest. Just a few that you don't. But for the price I've paid, $5.99. Got to buy 50. I can't complain because everything about this is just beautiful. Once it's done, it's going to stand out so much because of all the colours. So like the blue to the pink, the green to the yellow, blue and pink again. This one all different colours. Beautiful. That will be a nice one to do. That can go into my stash. So when I buy stuff from my stash, I do like to buy different stuff. Sometimes it could be abstract, landscape, cartoons, because I never really know which one I want to do. So if I have a variety of more or less everything, I can't complain, because at least I've got something there. Right, before I show you the others, I'll show you another kind of bought from fansells, 88 pence. fine in there. Just a negative pen. You can use. What I did is, with another novelty pen that I bought, that one there, I was sitting downstairs and I just thought, do you know, I know I've got cover minders, but I haven't got any really big ones. And I didn't really use these that much. So what I did is, I had some spare magnets and I thought, do you know what, they'd be great as cover minders. Nice and big as well. So I got some glue, put my magnet on. There's my spare one. Voila. Nice cute cover minder. So exactly the same again. I'm just going to pop that pen out. I'm going to pop some glue on there. Pop the magnet on, I think. Nice cute cover minder. For 88p, which is probably cheaper than what you'd buy anywhere else as well. So there's a little quick idea for you. Yet again, hide it from Isabel because you'll probably want it. Then I'll never see it again. So, right. Oh, 45.50. Did order a mystery DP from fansells. Paid £6.99 for in squares. I've not ordered one before, so I thought, do you know what? I'll give it a go and see what I get, because it don't give you the option animal, cartoon. It's just a random one. So let's see what I've got here. Well, I'm a bit disappointed on this, to be honest, because I've recognised which one it is straight away. It's a 40x50. It's poured glue. I've got to say the canvas is nice and clear. You can see all the symbols. 25 colours in it. And it is, I can notice straight away, I know which one this is. You see, it's a happy camper one. Happy camper, then it's got a circle, and then there's a deck chair here, and a bit of a beach here. So yeah, but I still can't complain. I got it for £6.99. Amazon and other places do it for a lot more, so it's still cheap. It does have the DMC numbers on it, your 310s, your 350, 902s, your whites, 38s, 55s. Let's have a look at the bags. Yeah. It's good that they all come in these sit bags. I like these sit bags. But the only thing it doesn't do is have the numbers on them. But that's fine, because I can just get a marker pen and pop them on myself, and then afterwards pop them into my storage box. So let's open one of these up and see what the jewel's like. Oh, they're nice and colourful. It's non-sticking, so I can't complain. Oh, nicely cut. I'll cut to the same size. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So the jewels are good. The canvas is good. It's nice and clear. Get 25 colours with this. Let's have a look at some of the colours. Get purple. This is for the Happy Camper. Orangey red. And orange. Grey. Blue. Very light blue. Light grey. Still some good colours in there. There's a lot of blues and oranges. But to be honest, actually, I think it's going to look quite nice. Some more nice vibrant blues. Some more creamy whites. Some more reds. I'm actually quite happily surprised because there is a lot of colourful jewels in this. So that's good. So actually it might look quite nice. We shall see. But for the price, I'm not complaining. I do actually think that will come out better than what I thought. So that's for the Happy Camper one. So for £6.99 you can't complain. Just put that down to one side for a minute. And let's see what else. The last one. I know which one this is. Butterfly leather. Now I did do this one as a full DP by 30 by 40, and I have seen some others do it in a special drill. This is a 30 by 40. Yet again, special drill, so it's partial. Look at the colours in it. I'm having a very colourful week last week. I just wanted a lot of colourful special ones. I've got 11 special DPs in this one. Let's have a look. Just another cute, quick one to do. Because we all have those lazy days, don't we? Right. Oh, yeah, I like these colours. So we have 11 colours, you can see. Some more lovely silver ones, some bright red ones, some purpley red ones, some emerald ones, some orangey red ones, some goldy ones, purples again, some lovely colours in this. It's going to be vibrant. Lovely blue ones, some yellow ones. Very deep berries, yeah. You do get a set of AB ones in this. Number of that. Yeah, AB 310s. So that's good. And some nice bottom ones. Love it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So I'll have about, I should imagine about 6 or 7 of those spare. Those are the large ones, so always good. Those extra spare projects. That's something I do like about the special DP kits. They always send out plenty. So you've always got some left behind for your special projects. So altogether, this cost me £27.31 from fansells, which included the £6 delivery, which you still can't complain, because like I said, it is cheap for what you get. So thank you everybody for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment if you like. Thank you very much. See you all later. Bye.